Hanji, in this video lecture, we will discuss about that the seasons of India. We experience different season one after another. Bete. Each season has its own distinct feature is there. According to that, the meteorological department, there are four season is there. Bete. First of all, there is a cold weather season. Okay, that is the time period of December, January, and February is there. The hot weather season, March, April, and May. Southwest monsoon season, you can say that the June to September is there, and retreating is the October and November is there. First of all, we will discuss about that the hot weather season is there. Bete. If you concentrate on your map, then you can know means you have to understand about that the hot weather season is there. But this season start last month of March to May, means this month March to May, March, April, May, these are the month of the hot weather season is there. But this season is started due to the apparent movement of that the sun towards the north. You people know about that the north pole, 6 month north pole inclined toward the sun and 6 months south pole inclined toward the sun. Okay, now after the March month, that the north pole is inclined toward that the sun is there. So that's why in the northern hemisphere the temperatures start increasing. This is the northern hemisphere and temperature start increasing is there. Okay, temperature rising from that the March to by the end of May, that we can say that it touched to 48 degrees Celsius is there in many town in the North India is there. Especially in Rajasthan experience 45 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature is there. Whereas places located at high altitude like in Jammu Kashmir area is there, that is a cooler is there due to its height is there, because we know about that higher you go temperature start decreasing is there. But the highest temperature is found in this is the northern plain area. Okay, in this area the highest temperature is found Deccan Plateau, this middle portion where you see my finger is there, that is the Deccan Plateau region is there, that is relatively cooler is there due to its height is there. But the rising temperature, this area means in the northern area the temperature start rising is there, so there is a low pressure is created is there in northwestern India. And if you see in the southern part of India, three sides of water body cover the southern portion India is there is a high pressure is there. As you know about that the land heat up very soon and cool down very soon is there, but water take long time for heating and long time for cooling is there. So during when the north pole inclined toward the sun is there, that time there is a temperature is high and pressure is a low is there, and water area have that the high pressure area is there, and the wind is moving from that the high pressure area to the low pressure areas is there. But a southeast trade wind is coming, means this is the direction of the winds which coming from the southeast direction is there. And then when they after crossing that the equator, then they deflect to their the path is there due to Coriolis effect, and they have to get the name southwest monsoon is there, which blow toward that the mainland of India during that the summer season is there. Now during that the in the north in the month of May, very strong low pressure trough develop in that the Thar desert area. But this is the Thar desert areas is there. Okay, to the Chota Nagpur plateau region is there, which develop that the means we can say the low pressure area is there. Okay, and the wind is moving from this area, means from the land to sea to land areas is there. Okay, and which give that the rainfall to some part of that the northern part of India is there. In the during the winter summer season, there's few local wind is blowing there. For example, there is a name is given in your textbook also on the page number in my according to my book 129 is there, Kal Baisakhi is there. Bete. In Assam and West Bengal, these local means the local wind means the wind which give that the which affect that the certain locality is there, so they are called that the local wind is there. Kal Baisakhi is the name of the local wind which blow in Assam and West Bengal. Okay, during the month of that the we can say that Baisakh is there, so they get that the name of Kal Baisakhi. Its literal meaning is the calamity of the month of Baisakh. At the same time, they are also called nor'wester in Punjab and Haryana areas is there. They are called nor'wester because of its direction is there. These local winds are very strong and they cause torrential rainfall. Sometimes it give that the means we can say that destructive to the standing crop is there and property is there. Okay, this rain in the month of April, this means we can say the wind which blow during the month of April. Okay, they give that the good for that the tea in Assam, okay, in this area, and the jute and rice in the West Bengal areas is there. But it Lu is the hot and dusty wind is there which blowing over the great part plains of India in the month of May and June is there. But they raise the temperature of 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, which may cause to sunstroke is there. At the same time, in the southern India also, in the some winds are blowing there. They are getting the name of mango shower. These winds occur in that the Kerala is there, and some part of that the we can say the western Karnataka also during that the April and May month is there. These winds bring that the rain, but it is very important for that the mango tea and that the coffee plant is there. Okay, as it is helpful for ripening that the mango, so that's why it is getting it get that the name of mango shower is there. Next, we talk about that the southwest monsoon winds. How these winds originate is there, bete. Bete, as you know about that, monsoon is a Arabic word which means mausim or season. These are the reversal winds which change the direction. Okay, with the change of season, 6 months these winds blow from land to sea to land, and 6 months from land to sea is there. Okay, the monsoon beta arrival is quite dramatic and sudden. Southwest monsoon start with the onset of that the southwest monsoon wind in June and continue till September. June to September we can say that the rainy month of for that the India is there. But the low pressure condition over the northwestern, this is the northwestern part of India of the Indo-Gangetic plain get intensified is there. Intensified means that means create that the low pressure is greater, means intense is there. Okay, it is strong enough to attract that the moisture laden wind is there from which coming from that the Indian Ocean. But the southeast trade wind, the wind which is taking the name of that the southwest monsoon, actually these are the southeast trade wind is there. Okay, they are coming from this area, and after crossing the equator due to the Coriolis effect they deflect to their path and enter into the Arabian Sea, where they get the name of that the southwest monsoon wind is there, from where they pick up the moisture and give the rainfall to that the first of all that the Western Ghat is there. Okay, then after that they are divided into two parts there. Okay, one part move upward, another part move to the Bay of Bengal is there. So Arabian Sea branch is divided into two parts there. Southwest monsoon of Arabian Sea branch and southwest monsoon of Bay of Bengal branch is there. First of all we talk about that the Arabian Sea branch is there. The Arabian Sea branch give that the rainfall to that the Western Ghat, windward side of the Western Ghat, means the places which lies on the coast they get more rainfall, means more than 200 centimeter of rainfall is there, and places which lies behind that the Western Ghat they get that the less rainfall is there. Okay, because it is a we can say the rain shadow areas is there. Okay, after giving the rainfall to this area their Eastern Ghat is there. So with the southwest monsoon when stuck with that the Eastern Ghat and divided into two part. One part move upward, another part move to the Bay of Bengal is there. Which part moving upward is there? Then Rajasthan not get benefit from the southwest monsoon is there because Aravali mountain is here. Okay, which lies parallel to the direction of the southwest monsoon is there. That time means these winds without giving the rainfall to the western Rajasthan they move upward and stuck with the Shivalik range and give the rainfall to this area. After that, after giving the rainfall to this area they move to the Pakistan is there. The another branch which we said that the southwest monsoon of Bay of Bengal branch is there. They pick up moisture from there the Bay of Bengal, and then after carrying the moisture from the Bay of Bengal they enter into Myanmar. There are two mountain system is there, Arakan Yoma and Pegu Yoma is there. They stuck with these mountain and reflect through there the Meghalaya is there. In Meghalaya bete Garo Khasi Jaintia hill is there. When these moisture laden winds enter into these areas, then they have to be stuck with these mountain and give the rainfall to most part of this area. And here is the name of the place is Mawes Naram, which get rainfall from these winds, and after that giving the rainfall to this area, it move upward and move towards that the west direction is there. That time moisture is very less, so they are giving the rainfall to that the Patna is there, Lucknow is there. Then they have to stuck with that the Aravali range is there, and eastern part of Rajasthan get the rainfall from these winds is there. This is that the means we can say the mechanism of the southwest monsoon wind is there. Next we talk about that the cold weather season is there. So first of all we talk about cold weather season. What is the time period of the cold weather season is there? First of all we talk about that the retreating monsoon instead of cold weather season. So for the cold weather season you should know about that, that is called a retreating monsoon also is there. Means when monsoon come back to their home is there bete southwest monsoon start retreating from the middle of the September and continue up to that the November is there, due to the apparent movement of the sun towards that the south is there. When the south pole means after that the we can say that June to September means we know about that 23rd September, that is called that the means we can say that the autumn equinox is there. After that the south pole is try to means to incline toward the sun is there. That time what is the condition is there, sun rays falling straight on that the tropic of Capricorn is there, so the low pressure start decreasing in this area. Okay, the temperatures means start we can say that temperature also start decreasing and pressure start increasing in this areas is there. Okay, due to the apparent movement of the sun toward that the south is there, the trough of low pressure over Ganga plain become weaker and gradually replaced by that the high pressure is there, and is no longer able to attract that the monsoon wind, okay, toward the land is there. By 23rd September we know about that the sunshine means we directly at the equator is there. The monsoon start withdrawing from that the subcontinent. By the beginning of the September it withdraw from Rajasthan by the end of September. Okay, southwest monsoon withdraw from Punjab, UP by the mid of October, and central India finally by November from the southern India is there. But the retreating monsoon season, which is marked by the cyclonic depression, originate in the Bay of Bengal is there. Very rarely in the Arabian Sea is there. Okay, these winds bring heavy downpour rainfall to the Bangladesh is there, or Tamil Nadu coast is there, or Andhra Pradesh coast is there. Okay, they get to that the rainfall from the tropical cyclone which originate from the Bay of Bengal. Time to time they get that the different name is there, but these cause tremendous loss of life and property. It can cause about 50 centimeter of rainfall in means in one day is there. The retreating monsoon are laden with the moisture. When they pass over the Bay of Bengal, they cause rainfall to that the Coromandel coast is there. If it means that the benefit from that the means retreating monsoon is there. But in this season, you can see that the sky is usually means clear is there. Humidity is high. So the sultry and oppressive weather condition is prevail. That is called October heat is there. In the month of October and November, from the that is the period of transition. Means from hot rainy season to dry winter season start is there. Okay, which can cause that the cyclonic depression in the Bay of Bengal is there. Now we talk about that the cold season is there. In the cold season we will discuss about that is the time period of the, you can say that, January to February month is there. Okay, so December to February month is there. That is the cold weather season is there. Bete cold weather season bete start in the India in the early December and start up to February is there. Okay, the northern plains are located far away from that the we can say the moderating influence of the sea. So here the temperature recorded is very low is there. Southern peninsula is warmer since it lies closer to the equator is there, and coastal area have moderating influence of that the sea is there. Okay, in this time period we can discuss about that temperature in the Gangetic plain varies from 2.5 degrees Celsius to 17.5 degrees Celsius is there. But during that the Indian subcontinent we can say that this area receive that the oblique rays of the sun, so there is a high pressure develop over that the northern India is there. Okay, offshore winds start blowing to this areas is there because there is no water body is there, so wind blow from that the land to sea is there. They are the dry wind is there. Okay, then when these winds they are blowing from the northeast direction, they enter into Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture from the Bay of Bengal, and then they give the rainfall to that the we can say that the eastern Ghat is there, especially Coromandel coast or Andhra Pradesh get that the rainfall is there. Northwestern part of India in the during the winter season, northwestern part of India like this one Punjab and Haryana, they also get the rainfall is there, winter rainfall is there, but not more than we can say the 10 to 15 centimeters there, because these the source of these means rainfall is the another one is there, that will come from the western disturbance is there, that is a temperate cyclone which come from that the central we can say that the Mediterranean Sea. After crossing that the Afghanistan, Pakistan, they enter into India is there, okay, and they give that the rainfall to that the means Punjab and Haryana areas is there. Remaining whole part of India is that the dry is there. But in the other part of the country, you can say the month of January and February are cloudless and rainless is there, okay, and the weather is pleasant and with clear sky and bright sunshine is there. So this is the part of the chapter is there which you discuss, means that the fourth season is there. In the another portion of the chapter is there that the rainfall is there, annual distribution of rainfall is there, which factor we have to keep in mind when we have to set that the which kind of rainfall occur in the area. In India bete the temperature conditions are ideal enough to grow that the various crop is there. It is depend upon the availability of water that determine the agriculture pattern of the we can say the crop and the productivity is there. But therefore the total rainfall amount of rainfall in the rainy month in the area is significant is there. Rainy month in the whole India is the 4 month is there. June to September is there. Most of the area means India is agriculture country and most of the area depend on this monsoonal rainfall is there. In some areas that the irrigation facilities are developed is there, but most part of the India develop on that means depend on that the means we can say the rainfall is there. Better the three factor determine the distribution of that the rainfall is there. First of all, direction of the moisture laden wind is there. Second is the relief feature means if that the because Indian rainfall is orographic in nature, if monsoon means moisture laden wind stuck with that the mountain is there, like in the northern India then when it's stuck with that the Himalaya, then the northern India get the rainfall is there, okay. Northeastern part or western Ghat get the rainfall because of western Ghat or eastern Ghat get the rainfall because sorry, western India and eastern India get the rainfall from the western Ghat in the west and eastern Ghat in the east is there. Northeast India part also get the rainfall due to that the presence of that the Garo Khasi Jaintia hill is there, and the passage of cyclone also, because in some part of the India get that the rainfall from that the cyclones also, which also we can say that the determined by the existing of the low pressure and high pressure condition on the land is there. Now we will discuss the area which get more than 200 centimeter of rainfall is there. If you see that the north of the Tropic of Cancer, that Garo Khasi Jaintia, northeastern part of India, Garo Khasi Jaintia hill, Lushai hills, Patkai, Naga, Mizo, these are called Lushai hills, or you can say Assam hills. Then these area get that the more than 200 centimeter rainfall. And if they ask which state get the more than 200 centimeter rainfall, then you have to learn about that Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Bangladesh get that the more than 200 centimeter rainfall is there. Mawes Naram is the name of the place which is located in that the Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, Cherrapunji is a district, and in Cherrapunji district there is a name of the village Mawes Naram where these Garo Khasi Jaintia hills are located. Okay, so the source of the rainfall of this area is that the southwest monsoon of that the Bay of Bengal branch is there, not Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch is there. South of the Tropic of Cancer, which get more than 200 centimeter rainfall is there. Western slope of the Western Ghat. Western Ghat is the mountain system is there. If you see in this area, Western Ghat is that the mountain system is there. Okay, the places which lies means which faces that the moisture laden wind, they get that the more than 200 centimeter, but those places which lies behind this mountain system, they not get that the more than 200 centimeter rainfall is there. Now the area which get more than 200 centimeter rainfall is there, that is western slope of the Western Ghat or the windward side of the Western Ghat is there. Then we can say that the area which get that the means 200 to 200 centimeter rainfall is there, that is the Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh is there. In the south you can say Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, southern part of Tamil Nadu, they get that the 100 to 200 centimeter. Two places you have to learn from the area wise, means which get that at 100 to 200 or more than 200 centimeters there. The area which get 100 to 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall is there. That is the eastern Rajasthan is there. Eastern Rajasthan get rainfall from the Bay of Bengal branch is there. Southwest monsoon of Bay of Bengal branch is there. Then part of Punjab, Haryana, Kashmir also get there the 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall is there. This is your chapter which you have to learn it. Okay, if you anybody have the doubt, then you can tell me in the online class about this.